Namaste. Are you feeling difficulties in going to Malasana Pose? Don't worry, let's do some workout. Now, firstly, we will stretch our back muscles of our legs and prepare our glutes. Now, we will put the leg wide apart, come in a goddess pose, down, and we are activating our abductors muscles. We are deepening our stretch by moving sideways. Hold on one side and the other side. Widen your legs more, go down, bend your knees. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs every time we put it. Now hold. Try to widen it more. Come to mobility. Now go for a pulse. This will give you a good stretch in your inner thighs. Feel the stretch. Now we're going in down and then sitting in the Malasana pose, trying to go down, then come up. Bend your knees according to your convenience. Now take a block. Take a distance according to yourself. It touches your glutes. Yes, try to touch. Slowly and slowly, you're bringing your glutes down, your buttocks down. Yes. Feel the stretch. Now, after much practice, try to go in a Malasana. Thank you. Happy practicing.